Jamie and Austin, and last year we bought an RV that we remodeled and made our home. We currently live in it with our 2 pythons, 1 kitty, and a boa, and we love it with all of our heart. But we've decided that we want to upgrade, and we wanted to bring you along on that journey. All right, so big things are happening right now.
Let's go stand up.
Really big things are happening right now. And this right here is going to change our whole lives in 3 hours.
Yeah, it's life-changing money. So we got a tip-off yesterday from my mom, and we checked it out. So I guess we're going to take a risk today. So it's a big day. There's a lot to happen, a lot to find out, a lot to ask, and a lot of money to spend. But I think it's going to change our life. What do you think?
I hope it's going to change our life for the better.
I mean, it's going to change it. Let's hope for it. It's a big purchase.
It's a really big purchase, and
Bigger than the RV was.
the RV was a big purchase for us, but this is an even bigger purchase for us, and it's a lot more work, and we plan to put a lot of work into it, so it's going to be really exciting and just...
There's a kid over there, by the way, making faces at you guys. Say hi, Juju.
Hi.
So I don't think I'm crazy. Welcome aboard. Good morning.
Good morning.
What do you think this morning?
It's hot.
Okay, so yesterday we brought the bus home, and Austin and everyone got 1 seat out, and everybody got hurt doing it.
Yeah, I got my finger smashed. That sucked.
But we got 1 seat out, and by the time we got that 1 seat out, it was already time for bed. It took way longer than anyone expected it to, and it was just...
School bus seats are not easy.
Yeah.
If you're like me and you thought, hey, I'm going to pull these school bus seats out with an impact, I'm going to hit all these bolts, you'd be right, but you'd only be half the battle because there's nuts underneath them. It's not good. It's not fun.
So, if you just try to go with it on the impact, oh, that's fabulous, then I can't see it. They just spin. They don't do much. So, it's where the person underneath the bus comes in.
Yeah, so
It has to hold the bolt so
yesterday, this deep socket set came in handy. We lucked out with 1/2 inch. These are all 1/2 inch bolts, except for the cone bolts. Anyway, so today I'm going to try, instead of getting under there with the crescent wrench, I'm going to try vice grips or these pliers to see if I can get a better hold, because that thing sucked, and that's how Jordan got hurt. So I guess whenever you're ready, we'll see what we can do. I'll climb under there.
I'm ready. Alright, camera set. Do you want me to move it?
Me and Perdita's doing whatever we want.
Is it? Keep going? Sorry. What? Okay.
Try it.
You okay?
Yeah. Yeah, for some reason this is my new life, I guess. Like the light
Yes, you didn't want to let go.
Ow! I think the camera saw that too.
Okay, try it. Okay. Crescent wrench. This is my new life. I'm just smashing fingers, pinching fingers. That's me. No fingers.
Yeah, now I'm thinking we're going to take my drill real quick. I'm going to try to see. I don't know what.